Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain you how to learn Blender in 2024. Let's go. This is the interface about Blender 4.2. We have three things: camera, light and cube. Okay? For now we can see another two things: X-axis and Y-axis, and invisible Z-axis. Here are all the options, such as rendering, physics and more. It will take me weeks to explain, but hey, I can do it all in another video. Just let me know you like this one by commenting. Now we can see the frames below. This is a window for animations. Here you can add keyframes to animated objects. Here on the left you can see several tools. The first one, for example, is the cursor, and you can move it like I'm doing. But what is it for? It is just to generate the meshes at the point. For now you just need to know this. Now with this you can move your mesh in Y-axis, X-axis and Z-axis, and you can move wherever you want. Now with this tool you can rotate the mesh. With this tool you can scale your mesh. Wait. I have a tip for you. You can scale your mesh with S shortcut. With this tool you can transform your mesh. You can scale it, you can move it and you can rotate it. You can add the meshes you want from the top at bottom. You will also see different options on View, Select and Object. And we will this option in upcoming video. They are more complicated. We are here to understand the basis. In the upper right corner we can see 4 balls. These are the different types of shading. This first lesson is over. If I see positive feedback, I will continue the series. I will explain the edit mode. If you have any questions or problems, please write me below in the comments. I will answer everyone.